Hi everyone. Welcome a couple of minutes late to Tuesday at 2. What's working now? Real Estate Live. I'm on the street. I was just thinking about a buyer that I had the other day who was frustrated in this market, making offers, looking at properties, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 13 offers on the same property, and we just couldn't compete. We just didn't have what it would take to get any of those houses. So what we did is we found an opportunity, a house, a really nice house in a great location, and it was on a little bit of a busy street, and it was overpriced by enough that people weren't looking at it. And we looked at it. It was a really nice house. It was a great property. We did our home inspection in advance. As it turned out, there was one other buyer. But because we had all our ducks in a row, we did our home inspection, we were well qualified, we were able to come in and offer less money than the asking price, if you can imagine, in this market where people are fighting over houses. So don't get too frustrated. Look for the ones that everyone else isn't looking at. Look for the ones that are just a tad overpriced. And you're going to get one of those. All right, thanks for watching. Tuesday at 2, what's working now? It's Real Estate Live today. Hope you tell your friends and send them next week at 2.